later. Share anything. Guys, see me and my baby. Today is Friday. Good afternoon. I'm kind of like okay today, but I'm not really fine, sha. But that's by the way. So I did a tutorial video, this Gilly style. It will be going up today or tomorrow. I just said, let me come and show my face. For some people that don't know, I posted something on the community, and some of you responded. Thank you so much, Adetutu. Thank you. Hey, thank you, Oma Nails TV. I think I got it correct, yeah. Then, thank you, Gina Daniels TV. You guys, people tried for me. I'm not the best, but I'm, working towards that place. So, as I got myself today, I said, let me just do a tutorial video and post. You know that you have to show up, you have to push whatever you're doing, you have to push your craft. Nobody's going to do it for you. So this is me saying that I'm pretty good today. How are you all doing? I'll see you guys later. Shebi is fine. Me, I don't know. I'm indifferent. I'm having two minds. But any which ways, I'll still post it, sha. Guys, I just came up here to show you guys one. In fact, well, I've not even said anything about this soap. I don't really know if it's just a different what's it called, but everything is the same. So now I don't know whether it's fake or this one is original. And the thing is that, let me show you. When my brother got it for me, why I did not change this one, I used it though. This is the remaining one now. And he got this thing from the same place. It's a popular mall you get. So I don't just want to do something, let's say be as if it's bad marketing or something, but it's a place where they sell, like they get their products from the distributors, the manufacturers directly, you get. So yeah, just that. So see the difference, and I've been using this one since he got the pack of 4. Can you see? When I said that time, I was like, guy, this thing is not original, but we just have to manage it. So you can see now. But the thing is that since after the first set, there has been changes on my skin. That's for this one. I get too many rash and all of that. So this is the one that when Joy soap came out, the Joy Black soap came out, this is the one I used to use before I went back. My brother went back to get this one, and this is what is here. So I just said, let me come up and show you guys. Look at the pack. It's clearly different. Can you see? It's clearly different. See how this one is. See how this one is. See the previous pack that just finished. See? So I'll still use this one, sha. When I'm done with it, then I go back to the main one. There shall be no loss. By the way, I don't have money to buy soap. It's by this to buy for me. So that's just that, sha. Bye bye. Guys, I fixed my nails, yo. I fixed my nails. I don't feel laugh. It's just funny and weird. See me now. Ew. Okay, this is how I'll carry it. Yay. But I'm going to cut it, Sha. I can't use it like this. I'm going to cut it like maybe this point. So guys, this is what I went with, the size. Tell me if I did well or not. This is my first time ever of fixing nails. Hey, I'll do the other hand tomorrow. For now, let me see how this one goes. Then tomorrow I know what's up. I know what to do. I might reduce the length, Sha. I don't know. I like square, but I don't know how I'm feeling this one now. Any which ways, tomorrow. Bye bye. You see, evil we don't when creation was before, almost safe and one more.
Recreate history. Should everyone be given a second chance? 160 kilometers, 2.5 hours. Starting point is a detail.
So guys, let me give you a small gist as we are doing the news while you're watching. When I finished with both hands, I went to show my dad. He was like, Yanga no the pain, shall no use the nails bust your eye. Hey God, I was like, but the nails shall help though. Person like me that used to bite my nails sometimes, especially when I'm stressed. I did not do that. Then you know, when you used to touch your eyes, I don't know, most people don't used to do that, sha, but me, my hand is always in my eye. But because of this thing, come and see me, I never even dare. When I wanted to try it, I got a scratch on my face. I was like, beg, I know they do. My father already tell me, man, no bust my eye. So that's just that. At least I was still able to use the nails to do my Kelly tutorial. You get, so the thing helped in so many ways, but I'm still adapting, sha. Guys, there's one song that's been living rent free in my head since. That song that brides used to use. I be people that used to do wedding. My every other girl is my fiance. I don't know how to sing it, sha, but that's what I've been doing since. I'm like, now wow, I better go suffer. You can even see me doing it here safe.